Alright, let's go over classification groups. In CanopyCode, I'm going to go to Configure, Classification tab. Here's where you can have specimen tree, protected tree. You can have up to 5 classification groups. Each one can have its own thresholds type. Right now what we have is specimen tree is the larger tree. Then we have protected as the one that's like in between, and then the other site trees, regular trees, are below that. So you can see the way that happens is you come in here and you check this off or not. If it's unchecked, you check it. Add as many groups as you want. You can delete a group. If you want it to show up in a different order in the table settings or in the abbreviations, so this spec is what shows up as abbreviation in the tree ID label, and then also for it shows up in a certain order. So the top one, if I want to protect it first, I would click this arrow and then put it up here, or I could put it down here if I want to, in the order they are. These all have the same thresholds. If they have the same thresholds, then in the import I need to make sure that it's fine just to have a classification group with these same thresholds having the same spelling and spacing. If your thresholds need to be different for different types of trees, you could come in and then do a specimen tree to make sure that this specimen and protected name, these could have different thresholds, but they need to match the name, the spelling here, and this spelling, and then the threshold spelling as well, which you put for each one. When you import those things, also you can exclude or include poor, dead, or invasive trees as well. So that's what you can do for the tree classification groups.